Hi dear friends, in this video we are discussing about determinant. If you still have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe abhijitSanamaths to get newer videos. We are uploading complete series of textbook of Maharashtra Board Algebra. What is determinant? Determinant is nothing but the arrangement of the elements in rows and column in this structure. Now this is nothing but the determinant. If you observe this determinant, you can see that the elements A and B and the elements C and D are arranged horizontally. It means the elements arranged horizontally and then the elements are arranged vertically. Now you can see that the elements A and C here are arranged vertically. The horizontally arrangement of the elements are called rows and the vertical arrangement, this is the vertical arrangement of these elements are called as columns. Now we can easily say that the determinant is nothing but the systematic arrangement of horizontal and vertical arrangement of the elements. Now what is the degree of this element? Now here we observe that 2 is the degree of this determinant. 2 is the degree of this determinant because it has two rows. This rows AB is the first row and this CD is the second row, and it has two columns. In first column there are A and C elements, in second column there are B and D element. That's why it has 2 degree, means this determinant has degree 2. This determinant A, B, C, D is represented by number. We can find the number by putting the values in between AD minus BC. Now the question arises that how AD minus BC comes. Now here it is the cross multiplication of uppermost left element with downmost right element. It means A multiplied with D, then minus uppermost right element, that is B, is multiplied with downmost left element, that is C, and we can easily find the value of AD minus BC by putting their values. The number which get and the answer of this AD minus BC is nothing but the number which is represented by this determinant. Now AD minus BC is the value of the determinant. We can also say that AD minus BC is the value of the determinant. We can easily find the value of AD minus BC by putting their values. And the one important thing is that the determinants are usually represented with the capital letters. Whenever you see the determinants are, or the representation of the determinant is represented by capital letters. For an example, here 3 determinants are given. It is represented by capital A, this one is represented by capital N, and this one is represented by capital B. Now these are some solved problems. Now we are discussing these solved problems and the answer of the solved problems. Now here the first determinant is A equals to 5, 3 elements in rows, 7, 9 in second row, and in column there are elements 5, 7 in first column and 3, 9 in second row. Now how we will find the value of this determinant? Now uppermost left element, that 5 is multiplied with 9, means 5 into 9, here 5 into 9 comes, then minus uppermost right, means this element will be multiplied by this, means 3 multiplied by 7, here comes 3 multiplied by 7 equals to, now the simple multiplication of 9 into 5, it is 45, minus as it is 3 into 7, it will be 21, and now this is the simple subtraction. When we subtract 21 from 41, we get 24. The second determinant, n equals to, in between lines minus 8, minus 3, 2, 4, equals to, now this minus 8 will be multiplied with 4, means here minus 8 multiplied with 4, minus, this minus 3 will be multiplied with this 2. Now here minus 3 is multiplied with this 2, here 2 comes, then equals to, now it is simple multiplication. Now 8 into 4 it will be 32, but minus into plus of this 4, minus into plus it will be minus, therefore it comes minus 32, here comes minus 32. Now this minus as it is, here comes minus as it is. Now 3 into 2 it will be simple multiplication of this will be 6, but minus into plus it will be minus, therefore the answer is minus 6. Now see that, now this minus 32 and this minus minus it will become plus, therefore here minus 32 plus 6 equals to, now it is simple, this is minus 32 plus 6, the answer will be minus 26. How it comes, let me tell very shortly. Now minus plus it will be minus, means we have to subtract this 6 from 32 because minus sign comes, that's why minus plus minus, that's why we are subtracting. Now 35 minus 6 it will be 26, but it has a minus sign to the larger number, that's why the answer comes in minus. Here the third determinant, 2 root 3, 9 the elements in first row, 2, 3 root 3 the elements in the second row. Now this 2 root 3 multiplied with 3 root 3, here 2 root 3 multiplied with 3 root 3. Now minus comes, now this 9 will be multiplied with 2, here 9, here 9 is multiplied with 2 here. Now here 2 into 3 it will be 6, now square root 3 into square root 3 it will be simple 3 and its multiplication will be 18. Now minus as it is, now 2 into 9 it will be 18. Now 18 minus 18 equals to 0. 0 is the value of this determinant B.